To download WordPress, open any browser like Safari or Chrome and then go to wordpress.org. So this is the official website to download WordPress. There is another website. It is called wordpress.com. This is another site of WordPress, but here if you want to host your website then you can use this thing, but this is paid version. If you go for plans and pricing, you'll see that there are different options like personal, premium, business, e-commerce. There are different options, so I'm not interested to go there. But if you want to download the actual WordPress software, you cannot find here. For that case, you just need to go wordpress.org. So I don't need this .com website, so I'm going to close this thing and I'm in this website wordpress.org. So whenever you want to download WordPress, the application or the WordPress software, you must have to come this website. Okay, but you can download some other third-party website, but I don't recommend to download from those. Just download from wordpress.org, this website, and once you are here, then you can type wordpress.org/downloads. Download. Once you hit download, then you'll find this type of website, wordpress.com, the same website, but this is the download link of WordPress. And you will find the download link of WordPress over here. But if you don't find WordPress.download, this link is not working, then what you have to do, you have to go to our website and then you'll find like get WordPress. If you click there, it will also come to the same page. So this is the basically the shortcut, and I see this link is working for more than 5-6 years. So basically wordpress.com, wordpress.org/download, this is the actual official link of WordPress download. To download WordPress, just click on the blue button or download WordPress, and this is the version number. Right now the version is 5.3.2. Once you click the download button, then in your Safari browser, you will see that do you want to allow downloads to WordPress? We want to download. That's why we have to click allow. Once you hit allow button, you will see that WordPress will be downloaded shortly based on your internet speed, and it will tell you that yes, you are on the way with the latest WordPress application. Okay, so once you download it, just close it, and also we don't need this thing, so I'm going to minimize everything. Once the download is finished, go to your open your finder and go to downloads, and you will see the WordPress 5.3.2 zip is downloaded there. So to unzip this, we just need to double click on top of it and it will extract automatically. Once the extraction is done, then you will see on WordPress folder, and inside the folder or WordPress related files are there. So in this way you can easily download and extract the WordPress. So by following the steps which we discussed, you can easily download the WordPress, and then after downloading you can extract WordPress in your local computer. In the next video tutorial, we'll see how to use this WordPress extraction folder to install our WordPress website. And thank you for watching. Hopefully this video will be helpful for you to know how to download WordPress from official website of wordpress.org. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel.